how to turn a GIF into NFT using Opensea. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can convert your simple GIF into an NFT on Opensea and sell it online. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply Opensea.io. Opensea is world's first and largest NFT marketplace. We can create, sell, buy, and trade NFTs right here on Opensea. When it comes to creating NFTs on Opensea, we can create any type of NFT. We can create PNGs, we can create GIFs, videos, audios, and any type of art as well. So if we take a look at the category, you will be able to see we can add collectibles, domain names, music, virtual worlds, and more. So today I will show you how you can add your GIF as an NFT on Opensea. It's really easy. Let's start with the process. The first thing that you will need to do is once you are on Opensea.io, simply go to this option right here, which is the wallet option. In here, you will have to connect your wallet to Opensea. In order to mint NFT on Opensea, any type of NFT, you will have to first connect your wallet. So I will simply select MetaMask. Once you sign in with your wallet, you will see it will be added here. Now we have to go to this option which says create. When you click on create, Opensea will again ask your permission to add your wallet. You will simply have to sign. Click on sign and then it will open up the window for you where we can create a new item. And in here, we will be converting our GIF into an NFT. So the first option is required field and it is going to be uploading the NFT that we want to add. Now you can see right here, we have the option of JPG, PNG, TIFF, MP4, MP3, and others. The maximum size is 100 MB. So all you have to do is click on this option and select the GIF from your computer where you have saved your GIF. We can create a GIF on Canva, GIF, or other platforms. So simply select the GIF from your computer. So I have selected this GIF right here and it is actually a GIF. It changes color. Now all you have to do is just simply upload the GIF right here. Now I can actually change if I want to and I can select from others that I created. That's it. You simply upload a GIF right here in this option where we upload an NFT, and when we will mint, it will be added as a GIF NFT. Now let's move on to the other steps to simply how add an NFT to Opensea. The next step is going to be, of course, adding the name for your NFT. Now your GIF is converted into an NFT right here. You have uploaded it. So let's give it a name. So my NFT collection is called the Redo Man and this kind of GIF style NFTs that I have created. Now external link. External link means that we can add any link, any page that we have, and we can add a URL outside of our Opensea right here. So if you do not have a site, then you can just leave this option. The next option is going to be description. For now, I'm just going to write the word description. You will, of course, write your description right here for your NFT. Then we have to select the collection. In here, we simply select collection that we have already created. And if you have no collection, then don't worry. Your first collection will be created with this NFT right here. Then click on properties. We can add different properties for any NFT to determine the rarity. So I'm gonna go ahead and maybe add color. So this is just kind of like properties that we can add to our NFTs. Similarly, we can add levels. Levels are going to be the numerical traits that show as a progress bar. And then we have stats that are going to be numerical traits that show as numbers. Then we have unlockable content. So unlockable content means that if it were a physical NFT, anything that I want to sell physically, then I can add my address right here. I can add my email if I want people to contact me. So this is like a content that is only visible to buyers and only revealed by the owner. Then of course we have explicit and sensitive check, and you can simply check if it's sensitive. Supply. So you can mint one or more than one copies. If you mint one, then there is no gas fee for you. Then this is an important option that we have. So on OpenSea, we have Ethereum and Polygon and Solana now as well. So this is pretty new that we can also mint Solana NFTs right here on OpenSea. And then we have Ethereum and Polygon. Polygon is a, gas-free experience that allows you to add NFTs. So for now, let's just go with Ethereum. And then we have freeze metadata option. Once you have added all of the details right here, you will simply click on create. Once you click on create, your NFT will be created, and you can see right here, this is my NFT, and this is a GIF NFT that I just created on OpenSea. Now, if I want to simply sell it, I can simply click on the option to sell, and we can also edit our NFT. Now, my NFT is created. It was a GIF. You can also check out the NFT from your different collections. And this is how you can also go ahead and turn your GIF into NFT using OpenSea. We can also add PNG NFTs right here and others. So if you want to transfer out your NFT to any other address, any other wallet, you can simply enter the address right here, click on transfer, and you will be able to transfer your NFT. Then we can also go ahead and share our NFT now. We can refresh the metadata, and we will be able to check our properties right here, description, and people will now simply offer to buy this NFT. And this is how we simply create GIF style NFTs on OpenSea, and then you will be able to sell your NFT. If I just show you some of the GIF NFTs right here on OpenSea, you can see this is how you simply create. All of these NFTs are created this way. Simply add your GIF NFT and it's created right here on OpenSea. You might be wondering that how to actually create a GIF style NFT. Well, it's really easy. As I showed you that we need a GIF. So to create a GIF, just for you guys, I have this platform which is Giphy, and you can simply go to this platform. It allows you to create your own GIFs. So if you had no idea how to get started and you're like a complete beginner and you're wondering how to actually create GIFs to convert them into NFT and put them on right here on OpenSea. So you can go to GIF right here, and you can either go ahead and upload a GIF, or you can simply go ahead and create a brand new. So to create, you simply click on create. It's a free platform online. You don't need to sign up. You don't need to pay anything. And you can simply go ahead and choose a file, and it will allow you to convert your PNGs, MP4, or a video into a GIF. So you can simply convert your videos into GIFs using Giphy. And then once you have a GIF, you can simply upload them OpenSea that as I showed you. So it's really easy, and you can upload as many GIFs as you like. There are a lot of creators right here on Giphy that actually create NFTs, and you can see these are pretty amazing GIFs right here. They create this art and then they sell them on OpenSea to make millions of dollars. We know that on OpenSea, even GIFs NFTs are now 2 Ethereum, 3 Ethereum, maybe 10 Ethereum, and 1 Ethereum right now is more than $4,000, and it's actually increasing. So we can also go ahead and make hundreds of thousands of dollars by just creating GIFs right here and then putting it up on OpenSea. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to turn your GIF into NFTs on OpenSea. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.